also Azubi and I'm currently attending my second semester. And in this semester I chose the course Microcontroller Technik, and we are working with the MSP432 Launchpad, and we were asked to do a project, and I am going to present you my project today. My project idea was to create a self-built 10 by 10 LED matrix, which I did by ordering an LED strip on which each LED can be addressed separately and which has an RGB color interface. After building this matrix, I thought of what I can do with it, and I came up with a simple game idea, an implementation of Snake, and it is controlled by the joystick on the Launchpad booster pack. And here's the result. So the big question was how to address these LEDs. First of all, I will start with explaining how to address one single LED, because that's already complicated enough. As we have RGB LEDs, we have kind of three parts to define: green, red, blue, not. Those three parts are defined individually, and how can I tell now how much green does LED 1 take? For this we have 4 bits, and each of these bits will be sent to the LED matrix for 1.2 microseconds. From the datasheet of these LEDs we get that the signal for high for one of these bits is like this. And the signal for low is supposed to be like this. As you can see, I already drew these lines. We can divide this signal, which is, as I already said, 1.2 microseconds long, into 4 pieces which are 0.3 microseconds long. So that means we have a 1 if we send 0.6 microseconds high and 0.6 microseconds low, and we get a 0 if we send 0.3 microseconds high and 0.9 microseconds low. So how can we do that now? We take these 4 bits. For high I need the first 2 to be true and the second 2 to be false. And for low, I need 1, 0, 0, 0. This would be a C, and this would be an 8. So now we know how to set one of these bits to 1 or 0. All in all, we have 100 LEDs and we need 3 bytes for each of the 4 sections. So we have to set 2200 bytes. So if I want to create a picture, I need to define a very big array which contains the information about all the LEDs. I will give you one row of example. The information I put in here now are those for the first LED. And they are, of course, divided into green, red and blue. And as you can see, I set the third and the fourth information on 1. I never used the full information high because this is very intense light and I don't want to get blind. Yeah, and if I would send this information, I would get a completely green LED. I could also set this and this on 0xcc and it would make the whole thing like turquoise. Yeah, and that's it.
Now I will shortly explain the game routine. To exit the animation at the beginning, you have to press this button on the Launchpad. Now you will see the game view. To start the game, use this other button on the Launchpad. Within the game, use the joystick on the educational booster pack to change the directions of your snake.